Good afternoon. It is 10 minutes till 6 on the 16th of March. So we have been at this for 1 hour short of 4 full days. So what we've got here is I've already loosened up the clamps. I took the big one off. And we're going to open this up. So I don't know what this is looking like already. This is a live unboxing, as it were, of the JB Weld mix with the denim. Just a quick note here to 3J's dad and Hedda from the Rocketry Forum. Yes, I used wax paper on this test as well. There's my container of it right there. No, I didn't forget about you with the parchment paper suggestion. I just hadn't gotten around to actually getting any from Walmart when I did this layup. But don't worry, I got it right there. Still have to find the correct paper plates because in addition to the toilet paper, paper plates are also somehow missing over at Walmart because that makes a lot of sense with the coronavirus, but whatever. Okay, so loosen up these clamps, get them out of here. All right. Alright, this is like Christmas morning, but weirder. Alright, here we go. Pull this piece out. Okay, so that's denim, 4 layers, and JB Weld. Ooh, that peels off real nice. Real easy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. So it's got kind of a, what's the word, like almost powdery feel to it. Might just need some simple brushing off, a little bit of sanding. Of course, the edges are all frayed and weird. So we're, what would you say that's? About 1/8 of an inch. Trying to get that focused right back in the camera. Come on, camera. Do you he doesn't like edges. Let's see here. Nice and hard. Let's see if I can actually break this. Oh my goodness. Okay, unlike the version using the B.F.R.A epoxy over there, this doesn't even want to flex. And also, it's not incredibly heavy. Okay, so remember, this is 4 layers of denim with JB Weld. Let's see here. Do it. And this piece, oh, am I dumb and don't have a ruler? Okay, here we go. Yeah, this is all very spur of the moment. I just kind of started filming here. All right, so we're at like what, 3.5 inches square, 3 inches square thereabouts. Okay, so a bit more than 3 inches square. It's slightly rectangular. So 3 inches square, give or take. 4 layers thick with JB Weld, and I did not weigh the JB Weld when I did the layup, but this whole piece is only 33 grams. Okay, so it's a bit heavier than basswood of the same thickness, but it's not heavy at all. So, alright, I'll do some cleaning up on this and get some stress testing here in a bit, but that's cool for experiment number 2.